Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to implement a light versus dark mode in our React application. So if you click on this light button, so it will change the theme of your application, and you can see that our background color is changed and the color of text is also getting changed, and you have also noticed that the heading is also getting changed from light theme to dark theme. So this functionality we are going to implement with the help of React JS. And if you reload the page, then the theme is getting persisted as well with the help of local storage. So we have also implemented the local storage to persist the theme whatever you have selected the theme. So before start working on this application, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe this channel. So let's start building this application in our React application. So let's go into the VS Code. As you can see that I have already done some basic setup, and this is some basic data to display the articles on the page. And we have a very small component, that is a post component, in which I am returning the title and the body of each post. So this data contains title and body, and we have some styling, so you can copy this style. So I'm not going to spend much time to write CSS styling in this video. So let's work on. So we need to declare one state here, that is theme, set theme, and we are going to use state. And in demo I have show you, I have explained you like we are using the local storage. So I am going to define one method here to get the theme from the local storage. So let theme is equal to light theme. So I am just defining initial state of the theme when the page is loaded. So local storage dot get the item. So if already there in local storage item, so we are going to basically, so theme is equal to local storage dot get item theme, and we are going to return the theme. So if we don't have any theme, so we just apply the light theme, and if we have theme, so we are going to use that theme, that is the dark theme. If the user has applied the dark theme, so we will be setting that dark theme later. So now let's work on the toggle theme functionality. So I have created a function toggle theme, and if the theme is a light theme, then we will set the theme here. So I'll be storing the theme like dark theme. So we are basically toggling, that's why we providing the dark theme here. And if it's dark theme, then we are going to set the theme as a light theme. And here we are going to use a use effect. So on every use effect, we are going to check the theme, and we will be setting the theme in the local storage. So I'm going to first target the class name here with the help of document element dot class name, and local storage we are going to use, and we will be using local storage dot set item to store the theme into the local storage. So I am going to provide the key value, and the key value will be the theme. and we are just adding the theme whatever user is, so whatever the theme having in the state, and we are also adding the dependency as a theme, and this use effect will run whenever we change the theme, basically toggling theme. So whenever do we toggling the theme, this use effect will run. Now we have to write some logic here in the return statement. So under the menu, I'll having one nav tag, and inside the nav we'll having one div with a class name, and this class name already defined in the index.css, and the class name is nav center, and we are going to check if theme is dark theme, then we are going to define the heading tag, so that is a dark theme, else it will be a light theme. So we have defined the heading, and based on toggling this heading will get changed, and we also need to define that toggle button. So on button I'll have a class name btn, and we will be defining the on click, and on click we are going to provide that toggle theme function which we have already defined outside the return, and we'll having a theme is equal to dark, then the button value will be the dark. So if theme is equal to dark theme, then it will be dark, else it will be a light. So button text value will also get changed upon the toggling the theme. Now we will have a section with the class name articles, and we'll be using that data, our fake data file. So we have already imported that, and we are going to map this data file, and we are going to return, and we have already created that post component. So in the post component we are going to pass key first in order to avoid the warning in the console log. Then we are going to provide all the props that we have here in item. So let's go into the browser and reload and click on light. So the theme is not changing, so it is not working because we haven't defined the class name, that is dark theme. So I am going to my CSS file, and I am going to apply that class name, that is dark theme, and if it's a dark theme we will having a background color. So the background color will be, so this will be the background color, and I'll just copy rest of the two style as well. And we are also going to change the color of font as well, and the primary color also I am going to change, and this will be FFA7C4. And the next thing we need to define the light theme. So it will be light theme, and we need to change the color as well. So the styling I am just going to copy from the root and just paste it here in the light theme. So let's go into the browser and let's see now, and click on light. So the button value get changed, and the background and the color of font is getting changed, and the heading is also getting changed from light theme to dark theme. And it's a very good thing that you might want this kind of stuff in your application. So you can simply reuse this logic which I have shown here, very suitable for the eye as well. If you're working late, if you're working mostly on laptop, so it's very good for on eye as well if you're working on the dark mode. and if you reload, the style is still persists. So as of now it's not working on reload, so the theme is not getting persisting. So let's go into the VS Code. So as you can see in the use effect, we have mentioned the key as a theme. So we need to use the theme here only, not an item. So just update this one and let's reload, and let's change the theme here from light to dark and reload, and you can see that theme is getting persisted in our application, and you can also see in the application as well. So we have stored this local storage with the theme name, and if you change this value is getting changed in the local storage as well. So guys, we have implemented the dark and light theme in a React application, and I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.